Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I know it's hard to believe, but the legal system isn't always fair. This is a case study in how the legal system can manifest injustice simply by refusing to consider exculpatory evidence. Look closely at the man in the gray shirt and gray sweatpants. You can see something hanging from his neck. Those are his keys that he's wearing on a lanyard. The young woman that he's with is his girlfriend. She lives in this housing complex with her mom and her brother. Orange shirt throws the first punch, while gray shirt's back is turned. Baseball hat joins the fight. He and orange shirt are brothers. The young woman intervenes and attempts to pull baseball hat off of her boyfriend. You might be wondering what this fight was about. Well, I tried to find out at the preliminary hearing. Here's a page from the preliminary hearing transcript. Let's see what it says. Attorney Sans, did you talk to Orange Shirt at all about what the altercation was about? District Attorney.
Objection as to relevance. It calls for hearsay.
Attorney Sans, hearsay is admissible at a preliminary hearing. The court.
What's the relevance?
Attorney Sans, well, it goes to state of mind. Aggravated assaults are crimes that require evidence of malice. So this witness has testified that he was defending himself. Obviously, he has no right to defend himself if they are the aggressors. They have to. The court.
He's not on trial.
District Attorney.
No, he's not, Judge. That's why relevance.
The court.
That's sustained.
By Mr. Sans. So it's your testimony that you do not know what this altercation is about. Answer. No. I would later learn from talking to witnesses that Orange Shirt just didn't recognize gray sweatpants and didn't want him in his neighborhood. There's nothing more to it than that. There is no beef or grudge between them. You would think that the district attorney would want to know what the fight was about, and you wonder why she would object to me asking the question at the preliminary hearing. The reason is the district attorney just doesn't care at this stage of the proceeding, and there are no consequences for getting it wrong. So there's no reason why she should care. So what does the district attorney know about this altercation going into the preliminary hearing? Let's find out. I put the actual text of the police report on the screen. On June 27, 2024, at 3:59 p.m., a black male wearing an orange shirt identified as redacted and a black male wearing what appears to be a gray shirt, identified as redacted, engaged in a mutual physical altercation in the redacted neighborhood. The fight is broken up by multiple other individuals, and all parties separate at 4 p.m. Does this look like a mutual physical altercation to you? Does it look like Baseball Hat was trying to break it up? Let's keep watching to see if we can figure out who is the defendant and who is the victim. Notice that Baseball Hat hands something to the man on the corner before he chases down Gray Sweatpants. Gray Sweatpants' shirt was torn during the fight, and his keys were ripped from his neck. I'm pausing the video because a lot is about to happen. First, notice that Gray Sweatpants retreated to the apartment. That's where his girlfriend lives. Second, notice the young man in the black shirt who came out of the apartment. That's the girlfriend's brother. Over the next few seconds, you'll see Baseball Hat pick up a chair and swing it at Gray Sweatpants. You'll also see a third brother wearing a white shirt attempting to join the assault. Fortunately, Black Shirt was able to intervene. None of the police reports mentioned anything about this second assault or Baseball Hat chasing down Gray Sweatpants. In fact, the district attorney provided this video cut to start at timestamp 4:06, and then for months claimed that the whole video didn't exist. Eventually, I subpoenaed the video directly from the housing authority. The woman in pink is the mother of the girlfriend and Black Shirt. Here we see Black Shirt walking with his sister. He's upset because she was injured when she tried to help her boyfriend by pulling baseball hat off of him during the first assault. Maybe these brothers are just having a bad day because they seem to be fighting everybody. The girlfriend came out to look for her boyfriend's keys, which one of the brothers had pulled off his neck during the fight.